Hi guys, welcome back to Toy Crazy World, and today we have the LOL Surprise Furniture Packs. I'm super excited. We have Neon QT and we have MC Swag. So guys, I don't have either one of the original dolls, so I am super excited to open these up. Now, let's check out the box before I keep rambling on. We have MC Swag first, and as you can see, it comes with the 10 plus surprises. Here they are listed on the front. And guys, the best thing about these furniture packs is, guess what? The box becomes a play set. There's an exclusive doll inside, and this is series 1, which means there will be more. Unbox 10 surprises. They're listed here, the cozy coupe, etc. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, take the top off. This is so exciting! Okay, here's the piece. It looks like it's holding everything together. Alright, and it looks like... Oops. It's backwards. Okay, here's how you really open it, guys. Look at all those surprises inside. Okay. Oh wow, there's hopscotch on the ground. They really thought of a lot of stuff when they made these packs, and I'm so glad they did, because everybody wants to have a play set for their dolls. So let's get right into these blind bags. This is the little coupe. It's so cute. It's candy apple red, and it's got gold. It's got the headlights, and look at that. It says Little Tykes. They really did think of everything. There's the license plate, mic drop, and the wheels really move. Awesome. Okay, let's get into this other one. Oops. And this is the little tag-along car in the back, and it says Beats. And again, it's candy apple red with gold on it. Let's go ahead and hook these up. And the wheels move on the little car too. Next, here's the instructions. And looks like we have some little dice to put inside the car. So cute. Let's go ahead and do that now. There we go. Our car is all ready to go. Okay, and oh, you could even put in a little air freshener. And it says LOL on it, guys. Every detail is so amazing. Alright, here is our official first blind bag. This packaging is super cute. LOL News. I like to focus on LOL News. So let's get into it. Oh, here's her outfit. It's super cute. For those of you who had MC Swag, I know you guys love her as much as I do, and I'm so happy to have her now. There's her bottle. And there are her shoes, her little Timberland boots. And MGA, can I just say that this is brilliant, because for those people who did not have MC Swag before, or Neon QT, or Lady Diva, or Queen Bee, this is perfect, guys, because now we can add them to our collection. And here she is. She is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's get her dressed. There's MC Swag. She's all swagged out. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's some stickers. I love my sister and baby on board. I guess you could put those on the cozy coupe. So let's get our play set all set up. Stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to add some extra things to these play sets to see how you can make them work. Alright, there she is. Okay, now let's move her on out of the way. And here we have Neon QT. Again, there's the 10 plus surprises. They're all listed on the front. The box is a play set. There's series 1. And here's the list of the 10 surprises. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's remove the top. And fold out the play set. Let's bend it the opposite way so it lays a little flatter. Let's go ahead and hook this up first since we know how to do it now. There we go. Alright, first bag. It looks like there's a blanket and some heart-shaped pillows. Super, super cute. I love the patterns on them. It's so 80s. There's one heart-shaped pillow and there's 2 heart-shaped pillows. Next, let's open up this. It looks like a baby crib. So adorable. Awesome for the little sisters. And this looks like a little toy. It's a little bear bunny. Next, we have the bed. Okay, this bed is so cute, guys. I would love to sleep in a bed like this. Neon QT, you're quite lucky. So there's a little assembly required. Simple. Now, here's your instructions. And let's get into these blind bags. Here are her glasses. Super cute. Everything matches so perfectly too, guys. And now we have her bottle. Next, let's see what's in this bag. There are her shoes. Perfectly neon with the black laces. So cute. Next, we have her outfit. Again, perfectly neon. So beautiful. I love it so much, guys. And here's our girl, Neon QT. Welcome home. Alright, guys, let's get her dressed. There she is in her neon-licious outfit. Let's go ahead and put on her glasses. There she is. All right. Now let's put her furniture where it should be. Okay guys, let's see how it looks with some of the LOL Surprise house furniture inside. And let's see how she likes it.
Nice. Nice. Cute. I think I really like it.
Alright guys, now let's check our MC Swag playset again and let's add some stuff to hers. MC Swag was here. There we go. Okay guys, here's the hopscotch again. Let's add some more furniture. I had some pieces from Playmobil that I wanted to add to it. So let's get parked. And here we go. Here's the little, I don't know what they call this. This is a spinning wheel, like a merry-go-round type of thing. And here's a chair, a bench. And let's see, Neon QT wanted to come visit.
MC Swag, I wanted to come to your playground.
MC Swag wants to go for a ride.
Yeah, of course I want to go for a ride.
And we have a little brother. Leave a comment below if you know who this little brother is. Alright guys, I hope you truly like it. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and remember guys, it's the Toy Crazy World. See ya!